What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about things you can do with the Martian Aptos wallet, the most trusted wallet on Aptos. So if you haven't heard of it, possibly you might be hearing of it the first time in this video, so you want to make sure to tune in till the end of this video. So actually I wanted to make a video on how to create the wallet on your mobile app, but as it is stated on the website, you cannot get it right now on Play Store or on your iOS, but it is coming to. I actually want to check on my Google Play Store, but when I got there, actually it is not yet available. You have the Mart wallet, but you have the Fletch wallet here, but right now I'm talking about the Martian wallet. So it is not yet available on Google Play Store. So right now it is available as an extension on your Chrome browser, so you can create the wallet as an extension on your Chrome browser. So actually we'll be making a video on how to create it as an extension on your Chrome browser. So you want to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so as to get a reminder when we actually drop that video on YouTube. So there are a lot of things you can do with the Martian Aptos wallet. As it is stated on their website here, you can buy, you can store and send and receive tokens, you can get Web3 notifications directly in your wallet, you can collect, manage and mint NFTs, stake and NFT rewards, and swap tokens all in this wallet. So this wallet is massive. You can do a lot of things in this wallet. So as time goes on, we'll actually create a video when it is available on how to create a wallet on your mobile phone. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, Crypto Sage. If you are new, I warmly welcome you. If you are an old subscriber to our channel, I'm thanking you for staying up to this time, so keep on watching our videos. So stay tuned as we make videos on how to use the extension on your Chrome browser. So I want to also mention that if you want to get more information on Martian wallet, you can actually follow them on Twitter. You can follow them on Twitter and join the Discord community. So that is all for today's video. Please make sure to subscribe, as I've earlier said, turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when we drop useful videos like this. Thank you. Crypto Sage signing out.